Good morning! Top of the morning. Can you do your ab trick again?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
We were trying to make abs. Okay, yeah, but it's like 5:55. Hey, 5:56 now, and we are going to soulcycle. Yeah. Okay, we were just saying Lisa was literally on her deathbed yesterday, so ill. And she was like, "Soulcycle, I'm cured."
I was like, this sleep is gonna cure me.
But yeah, we're going to soulcycle, and it's like in Newport, so it's far. So the class is at 7, but we're literally leaving at like 6.
Oh my god.
Well, what's
This soulcycle shit.
Dude, this is
Arlen doesn't understand the grind.
you don't get it. If you don't get it. Like you don't get it. I don't think you understand. This is my life.
Wait, I brought my shoes. Oh my god, I almost would have forgot them. Whoa, yeah. Guys, look. It's so pretty this morning.
Woo! He's got something special. He's got something special. And when he's looking at me, I wanna get all sentimental.
Okay, so basically what just happened is, so our hotel is all the way in Dana Point. We're staying at the Monarch, and I called an Uber at like 6:05 to come all the way up to Newport for a soulcycle class because we just didn't know like if there'd be traffic, whatever. We didn't want to be late, and all the Ubers were like 15 minutes away, 10 minutes away. I tried on Lyft wasn't working. There was one that was like 8 minutes away, and then it canceled, but I already canceled Uber, and I ordered it again. It was just really far, and we were nervous we were gonna be late. So then, yeah, ever. I've actually never been. So then, oh my gosh, thank you so much. You're the best. Bye. So then we talked to the hotel staff, and we were like, do you guys have any cars, like whatever? And they're like, yeah, we have like a town car or whatever, but it can only go like 5 miles. And we were like, oh. So then he was like, oh, this like Suburban just pulled off. It's like an Uber Black, like want to just take it because it's here? And we were like, well, yeah. And instead of $25 for an Uber, it was $75.
Are you happy now?
Yeah, I'm so happy we're here. See, it's 6:45 and this is so good. And if we were here later, I'd be stressed, you know? Arlen doesn't get the hype. Woo. I've had so many vlogs filmed in here from January. I'm so excited. And we have Maggie and Emma and Tyler now were supposed to come, but then they didn't come, so I'm mad at you guys. But Maggie and Emma were awake, and then Tyler's Sunburn, and Ella was sleeping or something. I don't know. But yeah, we're here, and I'm excited. How do you feel, Mr. 8 AM? Are you excited?
I have PTSD from this place.
Really?
So.
Because it's so hard. Update. We are really sweating. And Arlen said it wasn't too bad. But it was just so hot in there. Yes, I felt like my skin was on fire. We're so like burned. ARLIN.
And then MOORE.
He would be so happy. .com. Yeah, where is he? He'd be so excited. Yeah, I don't think they're, oh dang it, it auto-corrected. I don't think they're out yet, but they're gonna be out within the next like week or 2. Woo!
Arlen Moore. ARLINMOORE.com.
Yes, perfect.
Oh really? No, it's so early.
Just me.
I'm so happy.
Arlen's so happy right now. I'm so excited for you. That's so cute.
Because it's like not just like.
She's like, I need that. Yeah, she just wants it.
Really cute sweatshirt.
Yeah. I made us get here early. When you're so obsessed with the place. Yay, I'm so excited. Woo. Look it. This is my fave place.
I don't think I can do that.
It's so big.
How fast is this song with Maddie?
Yay. Okay guys, we get this one, in case you're wondering. And then I add peanut butter on top. Yeah, just ask for it.
Is there any peanut butter on top of mine or no?
Oh, yeah, it started working.
Oh my god, that peanut
The big is so big. I know they really can't tell, but like, yeah, you can't tell. Like, I wish they could see here.
Like, that is not even.
It's a bucket.
Like, compared to your hand, like, that's my hand. It's just like, it doesn't even do it justice.
Yeah, you really can't tell, but in person. Okay, I really hope you guys can tell. Like, they can't tell how big it is.
It really does not.
It's just a huge bucket. Yeah, yeah, there we go. Mmm. I can't get to the acai part.
I know, I
It's
still
so
haven't
deep.
tasted it.
Oh, dang it.
Okay, going in.
I want to lay on the beach even though we're all quite sunburnt. Okay guys, so after Seoul this morning, I got this sports bra and isn't it so cute? It's like really light gray and it just says Seoul right there. And it's like that and it's really soft material and like breathable. And we're going again at 6:30 tonight, so it's gonna be perf.
It's gonna be lit, fam.
Exactly. And right
Rock
now,
on, sister.
we're going to the spa because Nat took a shower there and said it was like an amazing experience. Yeah. So that's what we're doing. And surprise, surprise, I'm eating again.
Never surprised. You got me fooling around and all your honesty. Don't think you got the concept right.
Hi. We found this really cute spot. I like that we found cushions. Oh yay, thanks. I just took some pics in a yellow bathing suit, but I changed into this green one because I don't know. I'm like trying to show my bathing suit and I'm like taking it off. I changed into a green one because I didn't want tan lines. I want to order food soon. It's gonna be so good. It's so sunny today. I need to put sunscreen on right now. I wear 30, for those who wonder, but I still get burnt to a crisp, so. Okay, we just got lunch and it looks so yummy. Was the coconut shrimp good? Is that what you ate? I freaking love coconut shrimp.
Remember, best one I've ever had.
Yum, yum. Really?
So great.
Yay. Okay guys, it's only like 2:45, but we're already going back to the room because we just feel so crisp. Lisa's back is deaf burnt already. And I put on sunscreen like a bunch, but the sun is just so strong here. Yeah, and we have Seoul later, so we might have to go nap. I'm so freaking tired.
There's like a line right here from my shirt. Oh, it looks worse on the vlog camera. It's really bad.
I was just filming. Okay, so we're here with some hot babes.
Yeah.
Wait guys, there's 3 of them and 3 of us. That's so cute.
To whoever said I look bothered in every video.
She
you know
is!
what? You're absolutely right.
And someone replied and goes, if you're talking about Louisa, that just simply isn't
And
true.
I love that person. I don't know.
Love you guys. We're going to Table Rock right now, and people just stopped us and asked where you go, and you just follow the yellow brick road right here, as you can see, and there it is, right down there.
There she goes.
Ooh,
right here, okay?
to take your pic.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Aye, Captain. Woo, guys. Table Rock Beach is like one of our faves ever. It's so cute. Guys, the ocean's so pretty right now. It keeps like splashing up onto the rocks. I legit love this beach. Come here if you live here or like visiting. Everyone's staring at me. I'm coming. Hi, Slater. I'm just taking my time. You know.
Get him. Not in my mouth.
I know we could have been better. You look so pretty in lies. Big egos live in this castle. Not sure I'm ever surprised. You got me fooling around in all your honesty. Don't think you got know it, cause you already messed it up.
Tell me your take on all this.
I just think it's dumb, you know?
Good. 1, 2, 3.
Don't my whole thing. I don't know if they can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like actually dangerous. We like thought that we'd be able to swim around like little fishies, but there's literally red flags and it's so dangerous today. So listen to the lifeguards. Because even if you swim at Harvard or Canal, later.
Give me your hot take on the situation.
I've seen bigger. You know, I think if we had our flippers today, our gills, we might be doing better, but it's okay. A little sandy. But things were great.
Tell me how you feel about sand.
It's a good exfoliant, natural exfoliant. Definitely a little uncomfortable when it gets all the way in your bathing suit, but 10 out of 10 would recommend.
I'm pretty sure you're born like this. Talk before you think it's your original touch, but I guess it kinda works on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, diving romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, cause you already messed it up.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Yeah, look at them. It's like big
He's
and little.
like stupid.
And then Louisa.
I feel like that. A weird cousin.
How do you think I feel? I'm holding the cameras.
Yeah. Show me your outfit too.
Probably good idea we didn't swim. So,
Guys, this is Slater's
get it?
outfit.
I'm wearing Speedo.
Wait, can you turn around?
Unnamed brand.
Oh my god. Wow.
Work! Yeah!
Yeah, I just, you know, love that I can feel so confident because of you guys.
I love that.
Yeah, but
oh my gosh, Slater, I love your new sweatshirt. Oh, whoa. We love your sweatshirt.
Thanks, sis.
Oh yeah.
Gretchen, you've never.
I'm literally a mess. Ugh. Do you know where it's from?
Got it at the thrift store.
No, it's from my favorite store.
Anthropology.
No, you would have heard of it.
Zara.
I took a bunch of pictures in the stuff. Starts with a G. It's a boutique that we all get stuff from and we love.
GLP's
online.
Closet.
No, you really would remember. We said it a bunch in Morocco. Like all my clothes were there from there in Morocco. That's your biggest hint.
Is it Tan Thief?
What? No. What's that? Wait, oh! I'm so dumb. I was like, that sounds kind of familiar though.
It's actually semi-common.
Yo, familiar? Did you say familiar?
Yeah.
Familiar.
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 When you said Tan Thief, I'm like, why does that sound familiar?
Thumbnail.
Yeah. Oh, I love this place.
Yes,
Are they sitting where we sat last time? No, they're not. Wait, we met so many subscribers last time we came here. I love this place. I love this place.
Okay.
Slater's never been here, and he's lived here for 23 years.
Here, if,
Really?
Is there a
You've been
second
here?
choice? If not, I don't care.
I can't believe you've never been here, weirdo.
Time at Earth.
That's so funny.
I know, I've lived here my entire life.
It's definitely because it's like a touristy place.
Right down there.
Did you really? Me. I'm so excited. I freaking love this place. Okay, people are staring. Bye. Do you want to get an oatmeal cookie? No, heel. I'm getting my favorite salad from here, guys. If you come here, get the hummus and tabbouleh salad. Get the big one. You know, treat yourself. YOLO. And a pizza.
What are you getting?
An Earth salad.
Spring is in the air like a drum snare. Buds are bursting.
What up? I'm Austin. That's awesome. Hi, Gretchen. Oh my god. Wait, this is so crazy. Yeah. Thank you guys. Wait, take a snapshot. Wait, this is so crazy. Guys,
I know.
thank you so much. course. It's nice meeting you guys.
Yeah, enjoy your night. Nice to meet you.
Our cameraman's been filming.
I got all of it.
Oh my god,
Classic
you're the
fan
best.
encounter. You guys are so sweet.
Could we fit any more people at these tables? Look at us.
We actually got in trouble.
Wait, really? Because they're not supposed to sit down. Wait, where's my Oh.
Apparently Ella's causing a lot of issues here.
Yeah, Ella, it's all your fault. I ate one of Ella's crunchy things and it was good.
Wait, really? What is it? Cheese?
It's like a crunchy Parmesan thing. Try.
I think.
Isn't that yummy?
I like that. Over here?
Yum. Yeah, I can come over there. We got that pizza. And this is my favorite salad of all time. Like out of any salad in the whole world, I would want this one. It's my favorite. It's the hummus and tabbouleh one. And it's kind of hidden on the menu. Going. Oh! Guys, look at the view. It's so pretty. We're going to the sunset. Ugh. And we're meeting so many of you and you're so cute and I love you. And whenever you see me, please stop me and say hi and we can hug.
Celebrities,
and
they're
take
just
a
like
picture.
you. Just like you.
That's what Addie would do all last summer.
She's like, come stop me, I want to be seen.
No, I
just
just
kidding.
love meeting
I'm
you.
just kidding, I'm just
and hugging you and
But we're
squishing
going
your
to the
face like
sunset.
this. Guys, what the tits? It's so pretty. I just posted a Snapchat story and I said holy tits. Oh my gosh, you can't even see as well on the camera, but I swear in real life, I mean you can tell. It's so pretty. Golden hour. I wish I looked cute and didn't have like sand in my hair. I know, I can't believe we're leaving tomorrow. Look at it. Oh,
It looks really good when we
it's so pretty.
Like, look when you
like a
look
picture?
at it.
Lights.
Good night, Darling Moore.